A very good morning to all of you. Myself, Dr. Preeti Yadav. I am a physics faculty in St. Andrews Institute of Technology and Management, Gurugram. I am from Applied Science Department. Today, I will discuss simple harmonic oscillator from Unit 2 and the lecture number 26. In my previous lecture, I have discussed Foucault pendulum, which is the application of Coriolis force. Basically, Foucault pendulum is a device that gives the identification of rotation of the Earth. Now, before harmonic oscillator, firstly I will discuss some terms related to harmonic oscillator. First of all, what is periodic motion? From the name, it is clear that periodic means a certain interval of time, means a certain period of time an object or a particle repeats its motion. Means if an object repeats its motion along a certain path about a certain point in a fixed interval of time, the motion of such type of an object is known as periodic motion. Means एक particular एक fixed point से particular एक fixed interval of time में अगर object और particle अपना motion repeat करता है, then this type of motion of the object is known as periodic motion. And the example of periodic motions are by a rocking chair, a bouncing ball, a vibrating tuning fork, a swing in motion, the earth in its orbit around the sun, and a water wave. All these are the example of periodic motion, because in these examples every repeats its motion it repeats its motion in a fixed interval of time. In each case, the interval of time for a repetition or cycle of the motion is called a period. The time is known as a period. Therefore, its name is periodic motion. While the number of periods, the number of cycles per unit time is called the frequency. As the period of the Earth orbit is 1 year and its frequency is 1 orbit year. This is the periodic motion. Now, simple harmonic motion. An object or a body is said to be in simple harmonic motion if the following occurs. First is it moves in a uniform path. The object or the body is moves in a uniform path. A variable force, external force, acts on it. The third is the magnitude of the force. Which force that is applied externally or as well as internally is proportional to the displacement of mass. Means कोई भी मास है वो अटैच है स्प्रिंग से या किसी भी उससे, अगर हम उस पर कोई भी फोर्स लगाते हैं, फोर्स लगाएंगे तो क्या होगा, डिस्प्लेसमेंट होगी मास की. मींस मास क्या होगा, जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट है जिसका मास m है वो डिस्प्लेस्ड होगा अपनी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन से, in which force जो अप्लाई करा है हमने that is proportional to the displacement of the mass. The fourth point is the force is always opposite in direction to the displacement direction. और जो force है वो अगर कोई force apply कर रहे हैं, that force is opposite direction में होगा जिस direction में mass apply हो रहा है, mass move कर रहा है, displacement है object की. The motion is repetitive and a round trip. Repeat होता है motion, round trip में back and forth and is always made in equal time periods. The example of simple harmonic motion is spring, pendulum, because pendulum में क्या होता है, एक fixed every fixed interval में क्या होता है, pendulum back and forth जाता है to and fro. So means these are the examples of a simple harmonic motion. Now Hooke's law, we know that Hooke's law means force that is applied to spring is directly proportional to the displacement. जो अपने force apply कर रहा है वो किसके proportional होगा? Displacement के. If the spring is unstretched, there is no net force. अगर हम उसको stretch नहीं कर रहे original position में तो there is no net force on the mass or the system is in equilibrium. Then the object or the mass is in equilibrium. If the mass is displaced from equilibrium position means जो starting की उसकी position थी वहां से अगर mass displaced हो गया, then the spring will exert a restoring force. तो spring क्या करेगी? exert करेगी restoring force उसको original position में लाने के लिए. is a force that tends to restore it to the equilibrium position. उसको अपनी original position में लाने के लिए spring क्या करती है? उस पे restoring force act करेगी और वो किसके होगा? If the displacement is towards direction, then the restoring force is opposite because वो उसको वापस किस में लाएगी? Original position means equilibrium position. Therefore, F is directly proportional to displacement x. F is equal to kx. If F is restoring, there is a negative sign. F is equal to minus kx. F is the elastic force, K is the spring constant, and X is the displacement. This is the Hooke's law. Hooke's law means F is directly proportional to the displacement. Now some terms related to simple harmonic motion. First is amplitude. We know that the maximum displacement of a particle from its equilibrium position or from the mean position is known as its amplitude. Its direction is always away from the mean or the equilibrium position. Period means time taken by a particle to complete one oscillation. एक oscillation को complete होने में how much time is taken by an object? That time is known as period. Period of simple harmonic motion is the least time after which the motion repeat itself. Frequency, number of oscillation that a particle performs per unit time means कितने उन्होंने oscillation complete करें, suppose 4 seconds में 10 seconds में, तो that is known as frequency. Its units is hertz. And phase of simple harmonic motion is its state of oscillation. Magnitude as well as direction of displacement of particle means कितना magnitude है और direction किस direction में हो रही है, that represents the phase of the particle. These are some basic terms that is related to simple harmonic motion. Now, what is the difference between periodic motion and the simple harmonic motion? There are some difference. In the periodic motion, the displacement of the object may or may not be in the direction of the restoring force. इसमें जो displacement होती है object की वो direction में भी हो सकती है restoring के और नहीं भी हो सकती. But in simple harmonic में is always in the opposite direction of the restoring force. रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स तो उसको ओरिजिनल पोजीशन में लेके जाएगा, मींस इक्विलिब्रियम पे लेके जाएगा, बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या होगी? उसको डिस्प्लेस कर रहा है उसको ऑब्जेक्ट को, मींस ऑलवेज अपोजिट. द पीरियोडिक मोशन मे और मे नॉट बी ऑसिलेटरी, हो भी सकता है नहीं भी, बट ये इज ऑलवेज ऑसिलेटरी मोशन. द एग्जांपल मोशन ऑफ व्हील्स ऑफ ए कार, the motion of the hands of a clock hand, minute and second hand, hour hand. Examples of simple pendulum motion of a spring. These are the example of simple harmonic and these are the example of periodic motion. Now the main topic is simple harmonic oscillator or harmonic oscillator. A system that executes simple harmonic motion is called simple harmonic oscillator. In this, first we calculate the differential equation for simple harmonic oscillator, then find the first of all equation of motion or motion for harmonic oscillator, and next day find the solution of this differential equation. Let us consider here in simple harmonic motion, the force acting on the system at any instant is directly proportional to displacement according to Hooke's law. If the displacement of the system from a fixed point is x, then the linear restoring force I discussed in previous slide is minus kx, where k is a constant called force constant. Here आप यहाँ पे नेगेटिव भी लगा सकते हो, बता भी सकते हैं, तो यहाँ पे बाय मिस्टेक नेगेटिव नहीं लिखा है, आप नेगेटिव लगा सकते हैं यहाँ पे. And here k is a constant that is called force constant or a spring constant. Now these are the example. These are the states, but in picture these are showing tilt type. The is a spring whose mass m is attached, rigid support. One end of the spring is attached to a rigid, and the displacement of the spring is toward displacement of the object towards this direction. If the spring is stretched, then the restoring force have its restoring force. ये क्या कर रहा है इसको, और अपोजिट है, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इस साइड है, बिकॉज डिस्प्लेसमेंट इस साइड है. ये स्ट्रेट है, बट बाय मिस्टेक ये पेपर हो गया, तो ये थोड़ा सा स्लाइड इस टाइप का दिखाई दे रहा है. तो एफ क्या होगा, स्ट्रेच हो रही है, मीन्स किस साइड में हो रही है, स्ट्रेच इस साइड में, और बिकॉज डिस्प्लेसमेंट इधर है. रेस्टोरिंग फोर्स क्या होगा, उसके अपोजिट होगा डिस्प्लेसमेंट के. तो क्या करेगा, उसको इसकी ओरिजिनल पोजीशन में लेके जाएगा, अपोजिट है डिस्प्लेसमेंट के. एंड दिस इज द एक्स मींस डिस्प्लेसमेंट, कितनी आपने स्ट्रेच करी और कितना उसमें डिस्प्लेस्ड हुआ. पहले मास यहाँ था, अब मास कहाँ है, यहाँ पे. देयरफॉर दिस इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट. Now the differential equation of a simple harmonic oscillator needs solution. Let a particle of mass m be executing simple harmonic oscillation. The acceleration of the particle at displacement x, there is the displacement x, from a fixed point will be d square x by dt square for this particle. And we know that acceleration is double derivative of position vector or displacement. Restoring force directly proportional to displacement. F is that means my opposite to the displacement, therefore it is a negative sign. F is directly proportional to minus x. F is equal to minus kx. K is a constant. And now we know that according to Newton's second law, F is equal to ma and A is equal to m d square x by dt square. This equation 2. Using this equation and this equation, both are force, both are also equate these two terms. Minus kx is equal to m d square x by dt square. D square x by dt square is equal to minus k by m x. D square x by dt square plus k by m x is equal to 0. Put k by m omega square. Now the equation becomes d square x by dt square plus omega square x. This is the differential equation, because this is a differential equation for simple harmonic oscillator, or the equation of motion for the harmonic oscillator or the simple harmonic oscillator. Now the next step is to find the solution. Now for solution of this differential equation, multiply this equation by dx by dt. Therefore, we get here 2 dx by dt, d square x by dt square plus 2 dx by dt omega square is equal to x. हमें सॉल्यूशन मतलब हमें इसमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, x की वैल्यू सोल्व करनी है इसमें, क्योंकि x में ही ये डिफरेंशियल है, तो हमें क्या करना है, इसकी x की वैल्यू करनी है. उसको सोल्व करने के लिए हम फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हमने क्या करा, मल्टीप्लाई करा. अगर यहाँ पे हमने मल्टीप्लाई करा 2x dx बाई dt से, अगर हम d बाई dt कॉमन लेते हैं और इसका करते हैं dx बाई dt स्क्वायर, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा, यही टर्म मिलेगी, बिकॉज 2 dx बाई dt एंड dx by dt again derivative means d square x by dt square means हम इस टर्म को इसमें लिख सकते हैं, हमें यही मिलेगा, प्लस ओमेगा स्क्वायर है बिकॉज ओमेगा स्क्वायर इज कांस्टेंट, d by dt x स्क्वायर इसका हम करेंगे तब भी हमें क्या मिलेगी, यही टर्म. Now integrate, we get this term cancel means dx square by dx by dt का whole square plus omega square x square is equal to a. It is the integration constant. एट पोजिशन ऑफ मैक्सिमम डिस्प्लेसमेंट, मैक्सिमम कहाँ होगी आपकी, x इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस ए, मैक्सिमम एम्पलीट्यूड मीन्स ए इज एम्पलीट्यूड, ये अगर सपोज पेंडुलम है तो यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम होगी और इस साइड मैक्सिमम होगी, एक साइड ए है और एक साइड क्या है, माइनस है, मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू प्लस माइनस ए is a constant, dx by dt a is a constant, is zero, differentiation of a constant quantity is in this from equation 4 this term 0, a is omega square x is equal to a square, means a is equal to omega square a square. Now put this value of a in equation 4, therefore we get here dx by dt plus omega square x square omega square a square, dx by dt square is equal to omega square, here a omega square common, a square minus x square, remove squaring, dx by dt is equal to omega under root dx upon में a square minus x square root is equal to omega dt. Again integrating, we get the integration of this sin inverse x by a or cos inverse x by a, and here the integration of dt is t plus phi is a integration constant, and from this equation x is equal to a sin omega t plus phi, and or x is equal to, in terms of cos, x is equal to a cos omega t plus phi. Here this is the value of x and this is the solution of the differential equation of the harmonic oscillator. Let's revise today's lecture. First of all, I have discussed periodic motion, a motion of an object if repeats its motion along a certain path about a certain interval of time, fixed interval of time. That the motion of the of such an object is known as periodic motion. Bouncing ball, vibrating tuning fork, swing in motion, earth in orbit around the sun are all the example of periodic motion. And simple harmonic motion means if the if the a object is said to be simple harmonic motion if the following occurs: it moves in a uniform path, variable force acts on it, and the magnitude of force that is applied is directly proportional to the displacement of the mass, always opposite in a direction to the displacement direction, means restoring force applied here, so that is always opposite to the direction displacement. This motion is repetitive and a round trip back and forth made in equilibrium, spring and pendulum. Hooke's law means F is directly proportional to displacement and F is equal to kx. Here is a negative sign by mistake. ये नहीं लिखा गया तो यहाँ पे आप नेगेटिव लगा लीजिए. Means restoring है और opposite है displacement. Some terms amplitude, period, frequency, phase. These are the difference between periodic motion and the simple harmonic motion. Now simple harmonic oscillator, a system that executes simple harmonic motion, is called simple harmonic oscillator. Now find the, this is the restoring force and this is the equation of motion. Now find the equation, these are the differential equation for simple harmonic oscillator, d square x by dt square plus omega square x, and the solution of this equation is x is equal to A sin omega t plus phi, x is equal to A cos omega t plus phi. Now the important questions of today's lectures. First is, what is the difference between periodic motion and the simple harmonic motion? Second is, what is harmonic oscillator? That is right, oscillation. This is oscillator. What is harmonic oscillator or simple harmonic oscillator? Write down its equation of motion and solution of the equation. Explain. And this is all about today's lecture. Thank you.